Hello everybody, welcome to a new video in the first video for the introduction of Python. In this lesson we're gonna take the variables. Variables in Python are just like a name. They might have Amy, they might have orange, they might have letters, they might have any name, and these might be a variable and it has a value. This value might be a number, might be a letter, might be a word, might be a file, might be a photo, a lot of things. It might be also, and for example here, just a minute, variable in Python. Here, first, how you write a Python variable. Here is how you can write a variable. Here we give the name. For example, I want to give EGM equals to 11. Example. I want to say also it can be an input. For example, num1, I want it to be an input. For example, enter the num1. For example, it can be an input that tells the user to enter a value. Means that developer will not decide the value of the variable. No, the user will decide. He wants to make it 11, he can make it 11. He wants to make it 45, he can make it 45. He want to make it any like this, he can make it. He want to make it orange, he can make it orange. Variables are names and they have a value, like property and the value. And that was the lesson for today, and see you in the next video, inshallah.